Hello students and welcome to DAV Moyle Public School. Let's begin an online session of Standard 5th Mathematics with your teacher Mrs. Vandana Ghagre. Dear students, today in the lesson Addition and Subtraction of Decimal, we will see addition and subtraction of the decimal means how to add and subtract the decimals. First we will see the addition of decimals. We can add decimal numbers in the same way as we add the whole number. Simple numbers we are adding, you are aware. It's not a difficult task for you. Same way we have to add the decimal. Only difference is here, the decimal point is there. So let's add first 1.56 and 5.32. Arrange them vertically so that the decimal point should be one below each other. So here arrange the digits in the place value column. The decimal point should come one below the other in column, and add the addends just as we add the whole numbers. So here 6 and 2 gives you 8, 5 plus 3 8. Then decimal point should be placed in the sum. So we will write the decimal point as it is, and then 1 plus 5 means 6. It's a simple addition with the decimal point. Now let us add. So this first question is of like fractions. See, the decimal places after the digits are 2 decimal places. Now we will add the unlike decimals. 18.786 and 48.96. Here in the first number the decimal places are 3, and in the second number the decimal places are 2. So 18.786 plus 48.960. Why 0? Because we are converting the decimals into like decimals. In the previous lesson we have seen how to convert like decimals, unlike decimals into like decimal. We have to put the 0. Now arrange them vertically. Arrange the digits in the place value column. Decimal point should come one below the other, and add the addends the same way we have done in the first question. 18.786 plus 48.960 is equal to 6 and 0. Addition of 6 and 0 is 6. 8 plus 6 means 14. Carry 1. So 9 plus 8 equals to what? 17. Again carry 1. 8 plus 8 plus 1 equals to 17. Carry 1, and then 1 plus 1 plus 4 equals to 6. Decimal point placed in the sum. So the answer of the addition is what? 67.746. In this way you can add the like and unlike decimals. Now we will see how to subtract the decimal numbers. Again it is same as we subtract the whole numbers, only the difference here the decimal point is there. So let us subtract first like decimals. 16.53, subtract 16.53 from 28.94. Again we have to arrange the digits in the place value column. Then the decimal point should come one below the other in the column, and subtract just as we subtract the whole numbers. See here, write the 28.94 first minus 16.53. 4 minus 3 is what? 1. 9 minus 5, 4. 8 minus 6, 2. And 2 minus 1 equals to 1. And therefore the answer of subtraction is 12.41. Decimal point placed in difference also. So we will write the decimal point in between 12 and 41. So it is 12.41. Now let us subtract the unlike decimals. So here 28.56 we will subtract from 36.486. But before subtracting, we have to convert these unlike decimals into like decimal. So for that what we will do? We will put 1 0 after 56 in first number, that is 28.56. So it becomes 28.560. Now arrange the digits in the place value columns so that the decimal point one below the other, and then subtract, subtrahend and minute hand. So 36.486 minus 28.560, this gives you 7.926, and also you have to put the decimal point in the difference. So in this way, in the simple way as we are doing in the whole numbers, addition and subtraction, carry, borrow, all this we have to add and subtract the decimal numbers. But if the decimals are unlike, you have to make first as a like decimals, and then you can carry for the subtraction or addition. So dear students, today we have learnt how to add and how to subtract the decimal numbers. Here are some questions based on the both operations. In the first slide you have to add the decimals number. In the second question you have to arrange that decimal numbers in the column, and then you have to add. But before adding you have to convert the unlike decimals into like decimals. See here you have to subtract the number, find the difference between the two numbers, and in the second question you have to arrange the numbers in the columns. Before arranging, while arranging the numbers in the columns, what you have to do, if the unlike decimals are there, then in that case you have to subtract the unlike decimals into like decimal and then subtract the numbers. Thank you dear students. Have a nice day.